Ever notice how some videos feel like the camera is dancing along with the music? You can create that same effect in CapCut Mobile using a built-in motion effect. Start by opening your project and selecting the clip you want to edit. Next, tap Effects, then choose Video Effects. From there, open the motion category and select Fixed Rhythm. As soon as the effect is applied, you'll notice the camera movement begins to follow a rhythmic pattern, making the video feel more energetic and connected to the beat. To make the effect look even better, tap the effect in the timeline and adjust the speed setting. A faster speed creates more energetic movement, while a slower speed gives a smoother and more cinematic feel. Take a few moments to preview the effect and fine-tune it until it matches the style of your video. And that's how to add a rhythmic dancing camera movement in CapCut Mobile. It's a simple effect, but it can instantly make your edits feel more dynamic and engaging.